Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit a video on a CapCut. So here I already have the video on my project, and here I would like to edit this with the free features that I can get or I can use on this bottom. So I would like to use an effect, so let's just click the effects part and go into the video effects. In this video effects, I think I would like to go found a retro here and just find out which retro video that I can use. I think I'll already find one, the rolling film. Just need to click it, and now we already have it, so let's just click done. I would like to apply the effect a little bit longer, so I will like to put it here, and let's find out the result. Okay, oh, it's quite long, so I will like to make it here. Wait a minute. Okay, let's have a check. Up. Okay, and after we finish with one effect, I would like to add another effect. Go click video effects, and let's find out what effects that we can apply into this video so that this video will not gonna be boring. Okay, we already have the color film, and I would like to adjust in it the speed. I would like to make it like slower, and the intensity. There you go. And after we're done, we just need to go click this done button. Now let's have a check from the beginning. Okay, you can see that there is like a hard movement, so I would like to make it like down here so that there will be heavy smooth movement. You can see right there. So that's it. That's the way how to edit video in a CapCut application. If you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.